Hi, welcome to my video on classify a function. Classify a function. What I have here is a column with equations in it, and then we're going to find the degree, the type, the name, and the graph. So what we have here is ax plus by equals c is the standard form of a line, and the degree of x is 1, the degree of y is 1, so the degree of this equation is 1. So it's a linear, because the degree is 1, and its name we could say is a line, and the graph is, you could have a line that's a positive slope, or you could have a negative slope, or you could have a line which is horizontal like that, but the only line that can't be written in that form is the vertical line. And there's the vertical line. And the equation of a vertical line is x equals some constant c. And the second one is, notice also in this equation that a and b are not 0. So a and b are not equal to 0 when you have these lines that are sloping to the right or sloping to the left. Now we have y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and again a is not 0 here. We got a, if a is 0, then we have y equals bx plus c, which is the equation of a line. So the degree of this equation, we have a 2, 1, degree of y is 1, so the degree is 2. So the type is a quadratic, and it's a parabola. Equation of a parabola. And the equation of a parabola is like this. It can go open upward with the vertex here, or we can have it opening downward. So this vertex right here is a maximum, this vertex here is a minimum. And the third type of equation is ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0. A and b are equal. Notice we have an x squared, y squared with a plus sign, and a and b are not 0. So this is, again, degree is 2, 2, 1, 1. So the degree of this equation is a 2. It's a quadratic, but it's a different quadratic, and this one is a circle. And the graph of a circle is whatever the center is. Could be here, and there's a circle, and we have a radius. Or the center could be anywhere. It could be right at the origin, it could be here, anywhere. But this is the equation of a circle. A is equal to b, a and b are equal. We have a plus sign, we have an x squared, y squared, and a and b cannot be 0. And we have another one. A, again, the same equation is here, but a is not equal to b. And we have a plus sign, the same as the circle. We have an x squared or y squared, cx, dy, and degree is 2. Degree is 2 here, 2 here, 1, 1. So the degree of this equation is 2. Again, it's a quadratic. It's an AD, if I can spell it right. And this one, because a and b are different, we have an ellipse. We practiced all these before, and the equation of ellipse is oval, so we can have a center, and it can do this, or we have a center and it can go this way as an ellipse. Ellipse is oval. So a is not equal to b. A and b cannot be 0, and if a and b could either be both positive or they could be both negative. So there's the ellipse. And the one that we're going to discuss more in depth in these next videos is this one. Ax squared minus by squared plus cx dye, or we put the by, put the y first and then the negative a, x squared cx dy e. A and b are not 0, and a or b is less than 0. One of them got to be negative. So either the b is negative or the a is negative, either or. And so again, the degree is 2, and it's a quadratic. And the name of this one is a hyperbola. And a hyperbola, there's 2 of them. Again, if we can have a hyperbola that will go like this. These are the asymptotes, and we have it like this. Or we can also have it, we have the same asymptotes or different asymptotes, but it cuts. Notice this one or this one. So notice they're like two parabolas opposite each other, but notice that this one has x-intercepts cutting the x-axis, and this one has y-intercepts cutting the y-axis. So when right here, when A is positive, we have this one. When B is positive, we have this one. That will be discussed further in the next videos. And to do a matchup, just to look at some of these equations, let's match each. Let's match the equation with the function. X squared plus y squared. We got an x squared and we got a y squared with a plus sign. A and b are equal. So this is the equation of a circle. So this is number 1. Number 1 is a circle. Number 2, x plus y equals 4. The degree is 1. It's a linear. Number 2 is a linear, a line. And you can solve it for y equals negative x plus 4, where the slope is negative 1 and the y-intercept is 4. Again, this one we have an x squared minus a y squared. And x squared minus a y squared, we have a or b is negative, so we have a hyperbola. So number 3 is a hyperbola. And number 4, y equals x squared plus 4x plus 4, that's a parabola. Number 4 is a parabola. Notice the parabola has x as being squared, 1 square. Notice the linear has x and y are both degree 1, whereas the parabola got y is 1 and x is a square. And the circle and the hyperbola and the ellipse. Number 5 is left is an ellipse. Notice that a and b are different numbers. We have a plus sign. So this is an ellipse. An ellipse has an x squared, y squared with a plus, and a and b are different. A circle has an x squared, y squared with a plus, but a and b are equal. And a hyperbola has an x squared, y squared, with one of them being a minus. They're not both minuses or pluses. One is positive and one is negative to be a hyperbola. So this is the equation, hyperbola, that we're going to do more work on in the videos that follow. And if you like my video, click on the like button. If you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button. Visit my math websites, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content that's on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video is of some help to you. Bye-bye.